So hello and welcome back to WordPress 101 course. Okay, so in this second video we just going to upload the files to the live server. Okay, and for this job we're gonna use FileZilla client, and the reason we're using FileZilla client is because it's free. So if you just go to filezilla.com and download the latest version for your machine, install in your computer, and this is what we're gonna use. Okay, also one of the things I want to call your attention to, this is very important, is we're going to create a new directory. Okay, let me open FileZilla here. We're going to create a new directory for our blog under the same domain. Okay, so basically if you're with us, once you sign up for the club, I would send you, after you send me your domain, I would send you back a PDF file with your host, username and password that you need to log in into your website. Okay, and if you were the other host provider, then you should know what your host and username and password is in order to connect to your live server. Okay, so what we're going to do here, just going to connect to my server here because I already got a password saved there. Once I connect to my server, I'm going to create a new directory from my blog. For this blog we created now under the public_HTML. Okay, now this point is very important that you have an idea with what niche you want to go for it. Okay, because this is very important for us to have this directory, because this directory is going to be the part of your URL. Okay, so it's very important if you can have at least your main keyword, okay, on this directory. The reason for this is if we go here to Google very quick and we type in cat food, you can see that website that's ranking here on the top one. Okay, number one here straight away is Wikipedia, and you can see the directory. This site is cat food. Okay, and all the index files and the HTML files will be inside this directory. Okay, so basically we can see they reflect that on the title, they reflect that on the page description, and they reflect that also on the URL, which is very helpful to help you get high ranks, okay, on the search engines. Okay, so let's go back here to the FileZilla. Let's create a new directory. So I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna slide this, get a bit of space here, and slide this here to the left. Okay, right click in an empty space here, make sure you're not near any folder, so you're not gonna be creating this directory inside the other folder. So create new directory, and this directory I just call it Word. I'm just calling this because this is for demonstration purpose, underscore blog 1. Okay, and click OK. And now if you go under the public HTML there, we can see this is the directory I just created. So we're going to click on that to open, and we can see that directory is empty. So now I slide all this back to the right here, and make sure you're on the desktop. We need to find that file that's got your WordPress files that we shared on the previous video. And what we're going to do is look here, there is a file here. Okay, double click it, and now I must highlight all these files, so from the first one here right down to the bottom, and you can either right click and upload, or just click on it and drag and drop in there. Okay, and now it's uploading to the live server. So this is going to take a few minutes, so I'm just going to stop the video here and then catch up with you as soon as this upload is finished. So back in a bit. Okay, there we are. So we're back. So the upload is now finished and says the directory is listed successful. So all the files now for my finalizing my WordPress installation are in the right place. Okay, so all we got to do now, just gonna go to the live server, and I'm gonna call up this directory. Okay, the directory I just created, which would be your keyword or chosen topic, so we can find the file and complete the installation. So let's do that. Okay, so let's go here to Internet Nation here pretty quick. I'm just gonna open this here, and just to show you how many sites I actually already go under this domain name, I'm just gonna type in the website itself. Okay, so there it is, the website. Okay, so here I got one website. yes, okay, still got this warning which needs to be removed, which I'm waiting for Google to remove. Okay, but there it is. So if I actually just do other thing, let's go to the Internet Explorer because there is already been removed. Okay, there it goes, it's playing up again, so I just need to pause. Okay, I had to pause and restart again because apparently Internet Explorer doesn't open when I'm recording the screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do here now is just type in again the same domain, so www. Okay, there is the website, so I click here and that takes me to the page. So here it is, one of the websites. I go there under that domain. Okay, now if I add something to the domain, like Word, there is already there, look at that. So if I click there, you can see this is the website that we've opted, which has got a video and the layout. Okay, and now to find your blog and complete the installation, all we need to do is delete this one, put underscore blog 1 and click it, and there it is. So here's our WordPress installation ready to go ahead and moving on. So the website title, again, if you come up with a name for the directory, you should know what title you're going to use at this point. So for this I just will reuse WordPress. Let's use WordPress. This is just WordPress videos. Okay, admin, you're gonna leave admin for now and make a password up here. Let's make a password. So remember this password, this is a password you're gonna need to log in. And your email, so the email that you want to be notified, you know, if somebody posts this on a blog, or if you lose your password, which email should WordPress contact you? You know, you should be contacted to change your password. So I'm just going to use my email here. There it goes. And my username is admin. And my password is created. There's a blog title. At this point, install WordPress. And there it goes. So login. And at this point, all I have to do is admin is my username and my password, and login. And there it goes. My WordPress blog is installed. It's got the latest version, up-to-date version, and that's it. So go ahead, complete this step, and you know, if you got this stage, so onwards from here is all pretty simple stuff, but still a lot of stuff that is not even mentioned on WordPress itself, and a lot of people doesn't know about it. Okay, a lot of things that you can do that actually build in WordPress, you will be absolutely shocked with the content that you're going to learn, and I guarantee you your life never is going to be the same looking towards internet. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Jose Nunes. Bye bye for now.